So we've got our candles on, we've got our tea, and I just want to go through some of the bits that we got. Hi guys, welcome to Gino and Lauren's Adventures. I have gone to Homesense and I want to just do a really quick haul with you. We had an amazing time last weekend actually in Homesense in Staples Corner in North London, and it was absolutely brilliant. We spent about £250, which is actually really good for the stuff we got. Wait till you see the stuff we got. We can't, oh my god, it's so amazing. I live in central London and we don't have big Homesense stores and range stores and stuff like that, so it was a bit of a journey to get there, but we are moving to this area basically in January because I don't know if you're aware, but we're building a house. Our first ever house is being built. It's a new build in North London. So while we're in this tiny flat at the moment, we're filling it up with bits that we know we probably won't afford once we've got the sofa, once we've got the new beds, once we've got things like a new fridge, we want to get a new dishwasher. So all of that stuff will probably drain a lot of the cash to begin with. Now for me, when you move into a new home, one of the main things is the lighting. So I wanted things like lights for the hallway, for the bedrooms, for the main kitchen living room area because that will be open plan. And I also wanted decorative features, and I really like colourful oil paintings. I don't want canvases. This flat I'm in right now is full of canvases and, you know, things like from Ikea, and don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with Ikea, but the image I have in my mind is actual paintings, and I want to buy pieces of quality. However long it takes, I want to buy quality. I don't want to just grab stuff for the sake of it, you know? So anyway, the best place to go for that is Homesense. So oh my god, the first thing I want to show you, now this first thing I want to show you is absolutely massive, and that's why I'm showing you first, and I've got it right next to me. It's not the biggest thing I've got, by the way, but so I don't know if you can see this. There are two parts to this. This is absolutely humongous, but there are two parts to this, and basically this bit is made out of it's kind of like concrete around. This is all concrete, and then this bit is like metal that's been studded with a gun, and I think it's just painted with gold. And there's two, so we've got this and another side, and although it's from a company, by the way, it says handcrafted in India, and I think the company is called Handcrafted in India, and it has like a peacock sign. So yeah, there's two sides to this, which makes a circle, if that makes sense. I'll try to show you. Can you see? Right, so it will look like this on the wall. I can't work out, oh it's so heavy, sorry. I can't work out whether it's going to be in the hallway or in the, like in the guest bedroom or something, but it's definitely like a main feature kind of thing. I just love the way it feels, kind of, it's a piece, you know, it's a piece. It's not just, you're not going to find that anywhere. And I love the gold detail because I want a lot of the art in the house to be kind of gold leaf, very ornate kind of feel, like you've walked into an Indian cave. You know, you guys, if you've watched my previous videos, know how much I love things like this. Like this ring I got in Morocco, in Marrakesh. I love that kind of ornate Princess Jasmine Aladdin feel. You know what I mean? So guys, it's that time. It's that time. First of all, it's that time of year where we make a cup of tea, we sit down together and we just talk about things. That piece was, I think, £30. Hold on, let me just double check. Yeah, so both of those together was £35. You can't really go wrong with that. £35. It's nothing. There is something I want to show you, but it's so big I don't think I can. It's basically a mirror, and I got a round mirrored mirror, literally half my size, and I'm really tall, I'm 5'10". So imagine, like, what is that, two and a half foot size, like humongous mirrored mirror, and it was £100, but it's actually quite damaged. Some of the mirrors have broken on the top and on the bottom, but that doesn't matter to me. All you need to really do is get some glue, get some mirror cutter and patch it up. But they gave us a 50% discount, so we got that mirror for £50, and I'm going to insert a picture of it so that you can see now. It's wrapped up in bubble wrap, it's wrapped up in everything, and I really don't want to take it out because, you know, we're moving in at the end of Jan and it's like November now, and it's going to be quite a nightmare to move it. But oh my god, Homesense at the moment, the stuff they've got is amazing, and I think they're trying to get rid of some of their spring stuff at the moment. Okay, so the third thing I want to show you is a painting. Now, you guys may think this is just like a random, you know, it's not probably to everyone's taste, but for me and Gino, we want colour popping because we are planning to sell our new flat quite quickly after we move in, so we want to keep it quite showroomy. We want to pop it to pop with colour, especially in the hallway. So we got this. See, I don't know if you can see. Yes, it is the right way up. If you can see, the sun is shining at the top and it's kind of like a beach with loads of colours in. Let me just go close. I don't know if you can see that, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but I love it. It's real paint, it's real oil painting, and the artist is signed, can't even read that, Asanan? I don't know, but it's an actual painting, and for £25, like, I just think that's such a bargain. £25 for that, I mean, you can't go wrong. And these are pieces that are, there's one only in Homesense, you know, you're not gonna find this in anyone else's house, and if you do, mine's better. But you know what I mean, like, it's just such a nice piece and I feel really lucky to have it. Okay, guys, I found my cushions. I found the cushions that I want for my living room. Now, we know we want to get a grey sofa. That's all we know. I quite like the crushed velvet, but Gino feels like that's too over the top, and he feels like it's too girly. I think he might be right, but I just feel like it's a statement piece. But yeah, I love these cushions. I felt like they weren't too over the top tacky, and they weren't expensive, but I bought 5 of them, so these were £16 each. And what I love is the gold detail just on kind of like it's like a kind of suede-y gold detail, and then it's like the grey and the blue. Actually, it's like a dark blue. I feel like the shapes are quite modern, and this will go really well with the design I want. So I want the main living room to be very kind of modern-y looking, very artistic. As I said, I want pieces of art, and I want things to look like they're purposely meant to be there. And you'll see what I mean by that when you see the sofa and you see the lampshade that we want to go with. I love these. I think this is such a nice look. I just think it's such a nice look. So stylish, so lovely, so Homesense. We did end up going to Ikea after Homesense because we got so excited about the stuff we'd bought. We just had so many ideas running around, and we'd seen these lampshades in Ikea, and oh my god, we have chosen the same type of lamps in our hallway and a big version of that lamp in the sitting room area. Now, we bought them all. We went to Ikea and we spent £250 on these lights, and they are the lights we will have for the hallway and the lights we will have in the main part of the living room. These lights are a dream. People may find them weird or whatever. I bloody love them, and I've got to show you them now. It is so beautiful. Anyone who's been to Ikea recently has seen this. This is their show lights. It's basically the lights it's a lampshade that's round and made into a puzzle, and when you pull a string, it kind of separates to expose copper on the inside and white on the outside. You can also pull it, depending on the light you get, to get silver on the inside and white on the outside. Now, there are 2 different sizes in these lights in Ikea, smaller versions and big versions. The big versions are about this size, and the smaller versions are about this size. This is the smaller version, and as you can see, when you pull it, inside there is copper, and we are going to put these ones into our hallway. we want it to be quite a statement when you walk into our hallway. So the lights need to look like art, and that's what we want. You know, we want a statement. We want everything to look like it's been chosen with care. Now, the most exciting thing for me is the main light in the living room. I bloody love this light. As I said, it's the pulley one where it opens up like a jigsaw puzzle, but it's silver inside. And look, I don't know if you can see, it was quite expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but it's such a feature that I love it. Believe it or not, the silver pulley one looks completely different. It looks more shiny and pretty kind of thing than this. This looks more kind of modern and quirky. And that is amazing. When you see that in real life, it's amazing. And also for Ikea, I love Ikea, but for Ikea, I feel like it's really good quality. Smaller ones, I believe, were £65. 3 of these and 1 of the big ones. So £65. And then the big one was £100, I think. I'm not sure. You're gonna have to look on Ikea. I'll link it down below. But I think it was £100. I can't remember. I can just remember thinking, I want them. I don't care how much it's gonna cost. I will pay the consequences later. I want to feel like I can walk into my house and be like, right, light's done. There'll at least be some new pieces that make me feel like, oh, this is so special, this is so great. Ugh. Whew. These are really heavy. This light, we went crazy with the lights, as I said. This is actually copper. This will be copper as well, and this will be in the kitchen. Oh yeah, here we go, it's a picture. So these were £35 from Ikea, and it's called, God, Vindicare. But these are £35. I think that's a really good price. I'm just trying to, top up the bits that I've got, and it was quite a big day shopping actually last weekend, but I feel like we've got some really good pieces. The mirror is massive. The painting, the colourful one, is really, really nice. I need to get more of those to scatter around the house. The big concrete gold thing I absolutely love. My cushions I love, and my lamps I love. Even for the kitchen, I even love that. So I'm really happy. We're really excited. As I said, we're moving into our house. Well, our house is supposed to be completed on January the 23rd. You never know when these things will actually be completed, and you have to sign off that you're happy too. So we'll be checking for things like, are the radiators behind the doors? If not, please move them, because we're not going to sign anything until we're happy. And that's when the rest of the money goes, because right now we've put half our deposit down and then we put the other half down. And yeah, that's what we're going to do, and I'm so excited, and I can't wait for you to come and see. And then we'll be trying for a baby. We're actually trying for a baby in the next month or so. Can't wait to start a family with Gino, and I can't wait now. You know, we've actually bought a house, so there's loads of things basically that we're doing, and I just can't wait to bring you on the journey. But anyway, we've got a hard hat tour on the 22nd of November that I really can't wait for you guys to come and see. It's basically them building the flat. It will be half done. I don't know how it's going to look, to be honest with you, but it's going to be half done. And I really want you to come with me. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate you coming. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, like and comment, and I will get back to as many people as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye.